Carbon neutrality matters because it's demonstrating to your customers and the outside world that you are a professional organisation, you're a responsible organisation. You've finally woken up and realised what damage we're doing to our environment. The world is getting green. Companies will be judged on the amount of carbon emissions they produce each year, and they will be tasked to bring that down. It's starting to, and it will appear in business tenders. Companies that want to deal with you are going to want to make sure that you do have corporate and social responsibility in place within your business, starting with carbon neutral. We became the first body shop group in the UK to achieve carbon neutrality past 2060 standard. When you embark on this, you then commit to reducing your carbon 2% a year. So if you've not currently got solar panels, you might decide to fit solar panels. You would look at your deliveries, you're probably enjoying 2 or 3 deliveries a day. Well, if you were to cut that down to 1 delivery a day, you're reducing your carbon. You'd then have to look at making efficiencies within your business, which actually would also benefit other parts of the business. You're doing the responsible thing, and that will also lower your utility bills, so you'll get a benefit. It's definitely not a box ticking exercise. How can looking after the environment be a box ticking exercise? If we don't look after it, we're not going to have a plan in the future.